tractor. Wow, this car goes there.
We just pour small tasters. We don't want you to get into trouble on the road. So that's the sweet one.
Perfect.
They're both the sweet one. They're both the same.
Okay, so let's toast it.
yeah, okay.
I'm going to toast it, babes. So this is the...
The sweet one, the red.
Okay.
19% alcohol, lovely. You'll get that, what I'm saying about the Christmas cake.
Oh, yes. That's divine.
Stop. Hey, Cindy's been here. You found your old car.
Ja, show met derelict, hè? This is the kerk, the church here. Very nice sandstone building. Beautiful. It's sort of also a one-horse little town, just with a few little things.
Hi people. Okay, we're having a wonderful time out here.
We've come out for the day to Fouriesberg. We just went through the little dorp, and now we're at the cherry farm on the near Vicksburg. So I haven't been out this way before. It is stunning.
Tell me all your dreams align.
After Fouriesberg, we took a ride we were going to Vicksburg, and on the way we saw this beautiful cherry farm, so we thought we'd pop in, and we spent time there.
Hi, I'm Anthony. Welcome to Ionia Cherry Farm. Just quickly like to tell you about a couple of my favorite products in the store. I've got to start off with the cherry vinaigrette. It's so useful. It's not just a salad dressing. Just give it a nice good shake. You can use it as a basting, as a marinade for lamb chops. It's fantastic with lamb chops on the braai. Basically any meat except fish because of the balsamic content. And then right next to it is one of my other favorite products, is the cherry balsamic braai spice. It's a seasoning that is very, very useful. Just catch the smell there.
Wow, that's
divine?
a smell.
Yeah, so I have this with my eggs in the morning. It's so versatile.
I'm just going to scout around here. What a beautiful place. Really windy.
This is the cherry farm, and it's a cherry waffle. How about that? That we're just sharing, and I'm having a freezer coffee. Hi Graham.
Are you enjoying this?
I am.
We're going to have a nice cherry bite.
I am, but you're very...
Men especially like. It's the cherry marinated spare ribs.
Oh wow.
A
Okay.
friend of mine works
Sure.
he makes these.
Wow.
He's in Pietermaritzburg. He makes the ribs for Spur. I
Yes.
told him I work on the cherry farm, I want a cherry rib, and yeah, well, that's basically what
Wow.
they've developed for us.
Fantastic.
So you're going to be hard pressed to get that anywhere.
Yes.
Oh, it's a pretty place. I really like it. Mountains, and beautiful flowers and everything around here. It looks really nice. I enjoy this place. That's what I say about everywhere in place. Very nice.
If you like the chili, we've got the chili versions, the cherry chili sauce. I'm the cherry chili vinaigrette. The spices are specially made for us. You won't get them anywhere else in the country. Then obviously your Ionia, so the cherry jams. I prefer the black to the red. It's made from a more mature fruit, so it's sweeter and it's got more of that cherry flavor. That's my personal opinion. We've got some nice infused cherry jams as well. Cherry with pineapple.
What? Yes, so you.
Yeah, it comes in like a little chocolate bar.
Yes.
Tells you that row is that row is that row is that.
That is amazing.
You just bounce them out.
Seeds,
Yeah,
yes.
they are fantastic.
Oh,
They're
wow.
heirloom seeds as well.
Oh,
so
wow.
they're GMO free and all that.
Yes. Oh, gorgeous.
There's quite
Yes,
a
a whole-
variety. We don't
yes.
have the whole variety here. They've even got kids.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
This is a place to visit. Oh, wow.
And then, bar none, our most popular item in the shop, our biggest seller, is the cherry vanilla rusk.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
That's our
Fantastic.
biggest seller. Bar none. It's they fly off the shelf. We constantly baking those. We can never keep up.
So there's a corner of the shop where moms can sit and crochet little blocks while the kids play, and that blanket is given away at the end when it's all sewn up.
Okay, yeah, these are liqueurs and our mampur that we make ourselves here on the farm. We've got a standard cherry mampur coming in at 40% alcohol. We've got one we make out of the prune as well, so prune mampur also 40% alcohol. Then we've got the cherry gatskop, which is 60% alcohol.
Okay.
So yeah.
Does it scap your kop?
Yeah,
No,
definitely.
then you get your cut scoop.
Yeah, we've got two different liqueurs we make here,
Yeah.
and we are busy in the process of developing more.
Okay.
We got the gold and the normal. The gold is made from the yellow cherry.
Yeah.
It's a lighter in color, but it's stronger.
Yes.
It comes in at 24% alcohol. Your whiskey drinkers prefer that.
Okay.
It's lovely in a Dom Pedro. Yeah, or the whiskey drinkers will drink it on the rocks. It's got a more sophisticated palate than the
Wow.
red.
Okay.
The red is made from the red cherry, hence
Yes.
the red.
Yeah.
And it's 19% alcohol.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Not
Yes.
too bad. It's nice and sweet.
Yes.
Lovely on a baked dessert. So if you make
Okay.
your own fruit cake, you still
Yes.
bake it with the brandy. But when
Yes.
you douse it with this. It gives it an extra fruity dimension. I do tasters on that if you'd like to have a go on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's divine. I'll only have a little bit more. Oh, it's divine. This one on cake must be divine.
Yeah,
My
on
mother
a
would
malva
have
pudding.
Loved on malva pudding. I was just gonna say,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, it's very, very good.
You can finish mine. It's divine, but I am driving.
Okay, this is...
I mean, it won't do anything, eh?
No, that little bit won't do
Yeah.
anything. This is the stronger one. You can see the difference in the color. It's a lot
Already,
lighter in
eh?
color. You'll taste it on your palate now as well. It's the flavor comes afterwards. So you get that initial alcohol kick, what's a bit stronger, and then the flavor comes through. So it is a bit of a more sophisticated palate. Lovely in a Dom Pedro for the ladies. Like I said,
Wow.
guys, just drink it on the rocks. Lovely in the winter
So,
months.
is this, which one is this one? That
This
one
is
now?
the gold.
That's what I'm going to have now.
Yes.
Okay.
Can
Okay, you
so
can
we
have
got-
the gold, yeah?
we go.
It's a bit too much for me. I prefer the other one.
This one is also lekker. I like that.
Yeah. That's my taste, the other one. Beautiful.
Because the dark one.
Yeah.
This was the gold.
Yeah.
The darker one was the first.
And that was the one that you can put on a cake.
Yes.
Divine. That's, no,
You
funny
like
it
that one, I like
is.
the gold.
Yeah.
Just you can do that.
Yeah.
You know what? You like red wine and I don't. So I think that's why something, and I like sweet.
Yes.
So,
Yeah,
Cabernet.
that's not as
Yeah.
sweet.
I like my Cabernet.
Yeah, and that's also nice mixed with Sprite.
oh
With
yeah.
soda water.
I'm
Very
a Sprite lady with wines even and everything. Devine.
Yeah.
So here are all the sunflowers, and it just keeps carrying on as far as you can go.
This has been a rather long video, but we really enjoyed it and wanted to show our full experience. If you liked our videos, please like, share and subscribe. That helps us, and enjoy our vibe. Yeah? What do we have, Graham?
Here we have chocolate cake. Can you believe it? And it's not black bread. This is cake. Wow, I'm so excited. And we've got icing over here.
Yeah?
Oh wow, we're gonna make some cakes. Supposed to make a big double layer
Round,
cake,
yeah.
if it's round, but we got these bread bins. Or you can make 24 cupcakes.
Yeah.
So we thought, let's make the cake first.
Yeah.
We know now, so next time we can make little muffin type cupcakes.
Yeah. So once it's been iced, so much icing, I just threw it all over. It is divine. Don't tell me we can't have anything in this van. So you can hear the wind, Graham's. We packed it all terrible last night, and this morning he's got to repack it all. Look at the mess. We just took all this down. Yeah, so Graham's just putting it back properly. We're going to leave it out. We're only here till the 1st, so it's another 7 days or 6 days, and so we'll just leave the awning in. It's been too windy.